Yun
What's
lang.
it like raising children while holding such a high position in the government?
Ang bonding time namin, although lagi ako sa bahay, tinuturuan ko pa yan, mga kids
Yeah,
ko
you mentioned earlier you're a
nagtututor
full-time
ako.
and-
Full-time mama ko.
yeah.
Ano bang gusto mo? Ha, Claire. Claire kasi, ha, Claire. Judge yun, ha?
Yeah.
Habang naghihiring kami. Ano bang gusto mo? Maging lawyer ka o mag-artista ka? Sabi ko, in open court ko, Your Honor, to be a successful mother.
Yes.
Diba yun
I think there's no
lang.
other rewarding feeling,
Yes.
no?
Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, advice ko, di ba sa'yo?
Yes.
Hanggat kaya mong kargahin yung anak mo, kargahin mo na. Kasi lalaki yan. Hindi mo na makakarga yan.
Yes.
Oo.
Especially knowing that your children are growing up, right? So what kind of Philippines do you hope your children and the next generation will get to experience?
Okay. Pro-Philippines talaga tayo. Kasi
Right.
otherwise, baka mabenta tayo.
Right.
Sa susunod ng mga taon, hindi natin alam, baka probinsya na tayo na ibang bansa.
That's it for today. We'll see you guys next time.